When mothers love something, their children inherit that love, be it modesty or immorality, be it worldly love or divine love, be it the pleasure of prayers or the pleasure of sins, be it recitation or songs. Children are like a seed. As you fertilize it, you will get the same result. In the garden of life, every choice a mother makes plants a seed in her child's heart. Just as the flowers bloom under the sun, so too do children flourish under a mother's care, absorbing the essence of what they cherish most. When a mother nurtures her child's talents with love, the child blossoms into a confident individual. This bond shapes their identity, letting them express emotions and dreams just as their mothers did. Through shared moments in the kitchen, a mother imparts not just recipes, but also the essence of love and togetherness. Each stir, each taste becomes a lesson in heritage and affection that the child carries forward. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue, a mother shares tales of her own childhood with her child. These moments foster not only connection, but also inspire dreams that illuminate the path ahead. One day, while rummaging through the attic, a mother stumbles upon a forgotten photo album. As she turns each page, long-buried family secrets begin to unfold, igniting a quest for truth that will change everything. At the table, the weight of newfound knowledge presses down on her, each revelation echoing in her mind. She realizes that the threads of her family's past are intertwined with her own identity, and she must bravely seek the truth. Determined to uncover the truth, she reaches out to an elderly relative eager to piece together her family's hidden history. Each story unfolds like a window to the past, revealing love struggles and choices that shaped their legacy. Gathering her courage, the mother sits down with her child to share the unfolding mystery. As they navigate the complexities of their heritage together, a newfound bond strengthens, bridging generations and fostering openness. Together they decide to plant a garden, a metaphor for the future they wish to cultivate. With each seed sown, they not only tend to the earth, but also nurture the values that will shape the generations to come. As weeks pass, the garden bursts into life, a testament to their shared efforts and love. Each bloom and vegetable reflects not just their labor, but the deep connection they've forged through this journey together. With the garden as their backdrop, they invite family and friends to celebrate their journey. Laughter dances in the air as stories are exchanged, creating a space that fosters community and connection. In the midst of laughter and festivity, the mother takes a moment to share the lessons learned from their adventure. As her child listens, a spark ignites in their eyes, reflecting the love and wisdom being passed down. As the sun dips below the horizon, they stand hand in hand, united in purpose and vision. In that moment, they understand that their journey has only just begun, paving the way for a brighter, blossoming future.